JR wants us to check out Selena Gomez's knife skills.
Chop the shine. Voilà. So the way you hold the knife, Selena, like that,
okay.
Like that. Yeah, you're good.
Yeah, that's wrong.
Hold the shaft like that.
And this guy's a chef too. I don't think Selena's to blame here.
So you get to start
Oh my
again.
God.
Okay.
No. Okay. Let's fix this. That chef did Selena dirty. Hold your knife like this. It's gonna give you more control. If you stick your finger out on top, it's gonna make your wrist really, really sore, and it's not gonna give you as much control as you think. It's only really necessary when your knife is dull and you actually have to push it through the food, in which case you should just sharpen your knife. Pinch grip, right? Number 2. Selena's got her fingers way out like this, and that's a really good way to cut your fingertips off. So tuck those bad boys underneath, bring your knife up to your first knuckle, like so, and just slide the knife through. If your knife is sharp, you don't actually need to push down like that through the food.